ProplanX.
Product backlog. The product backlog contains the needs of the product owner who keeps it prioritized and current. Among other things, it contains features, enhancements, and bug fixes. The product owner maintains and orders a list of requirements with the assistance of the team. The backlog is dynamic and may constantly evolve to accommodate for the customer's changing business needs, market conditions, or from inputs obtained through the sprint review. The product backlog contains requested features, functions, defect fixes, and enhancements. Each item in the product backlog can be described by its attributes, which is the description, order, and estimate. The product backlog itself is ordered by value, risk, priority, and necessity as determined by the product owner, with assistance from the development team. Sprint backlog. Sprint backlog shows work to be done and only the development team can make changes to it. Recollect that during the sprint planning meeting, a sprint backlog was generated. This contains work committed for the upcoming sprint and consists of tasks and team assignments. Thus, it provides enough detail for tracking during daily Scrum. Earlier, we noted that once a sprint starts, no changes are allowed to the sprint backlog by the customer. On the other hand, only the development team is allowed to update and make changes as required. This backlog should be placed in a highly visible location so that all stakeholders have a clear and real-time picture of the work done. Increment. An increment is the sum of the outputs of all the sprints, and this must always be in a readily realizable state. Since the increment has to provide business value, it must meet the done criteria, which would mean that it is a working product with completed functionality. We discuss what done means in a later chapter. Scrum remains flexible in the fact that the customer may terminate the project if they recognize that enough business value has been derived from this increment.